So the first thing we're going to want to do in order to install the theme on our blog is we want to come to our desktop here, and you can see I've downloaded the Selling in 60 Minutes folder, which you should have been able to download on the previous video that you were watching or on this page. I'm not exactly sure where it's going to be, but you should have easy access to it, and you'll download it. You'll see it's a zipped file, so we need to extract it. Do extract all, and there we go. Alrighty, so it's extracted it for us, and you'll see right here this the marketing theme. That is the theme that we're going to be downloading, right? So we're going to just exit out of that really quick. Now let's come back into the internet. We'll come over to our Bluehost account, and we're going to come to the Files section. You can see right here, and we're going to click on File Manager. Alright, so it looks like it wants me to log back in. Guess I was away for too long. Alright. Okay, so we're back here. We're going to click on File Manager. Alright, so there we go. Let's just close some of these windows down. And we'll get rid of this as well. Alright, so we're here in the File Manager. You can see that what we need to go into is the public HTML folder right here. Then that is the folder where your domain name is saved. So for me, sellingin60minutes.com is stored in the public domain or the public HTML folder. And these are all of the files required to run the WordPress blog, right? So what we want to do is we want to come into WP content folder, which is right here. We'll double click on that. And then we're going to double click on the themes folder right here. Alright, so you'll see here there's 2010 folder, which is the default theme installed on WordPress blogs. And so we know we're in the right area, right? And we need to upload our new theme. So we're going to click upload here. It'll bring us to this page where we can click browse. And you can see here we're in the desktop. We're going to go into Selling in 60 Minutes. Selling in 60 Minutes. And then right here is the marketing theme. That's the folder that we want to upload. And it doesn't have to be unzipped. You can see it's a zipped file. We're just going to upload the zipped version of it to the themes folder. And we'll click open, and there it's going to start doing its thing for a second here. All right, and it's done. And we can now click back to the themes folder. All right, so it's uploaded it, but it's a zipped file, right? So we need to unzip it. So what we're going to do is we're going to right-click on it and click extract. Extract files. And there we go. It's extracted it. So now we have the marketing theme folder right there, and we've got the zipped version right here. I like to delete this just because I like to keep things clean, but you don't necessarily have to. It's up to you. So now that we've deleted that, we can head back on over to our blog dashboard. And let's just come down here to the appearance section, click down, and click on themes. Alright, so the current theme is the 2010 theme, like I said before, and this is the theme that we just barely uploaded. It's the marketing theme, right? So we're going to click activate. Okay, there we go. So we activated the theme, and it takes us to the theme's settings, right? First thing, I just want to show you what the blog looks like with the basic theme settings. You can see here, it's changed the way it looked from before, and so then what we're going to do is we're going to come back into the theme settings right here, the theme options, and we're going to change the menu/links color scheme. We're going to change that to black. I think that's my favorite one. And like you see, there's all these different options, right, that you can try out. I'll let you mess with those. For this website, we're going to do black. Click Save Settings, and then it says that the settings have been saved. So now we're going to come back over to the blog, the front end, and we're going to refresh so we can see the difference that it's made. Alright, so there we go. That's the theme that we're going to be using for this website. Now let's come back into the settings, and the sidebar position, you can see it can be on the left or it can be disabled. We're going to leave it on the right. Disable main menu. So by clicking that box and clicking Save Settings, see how we've got this menu right here? When we refresh, that menu is gone because I don't want an upper navigation for this website, right? So we'll come back here. We want the blog title. We do not want the blog tagline. All right. Okay, so what I want you to notice here is we've already got the RSS feed right up there. But you have these sections right here where you can put a custom RSS feed, or you can do a link to your newsletter, or also we have Facebook and Twitter. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my Facebook ID and Twitter ID here. Facebook.com/Kevin LeBaron. Alright, and then Twitter is Twitter.com, Twitter's got 2 T's, /KevinLeb. Alright, so there we go. We're going to come down here and click Save Settings, and then we'll come back here and we'll refresh this to see. Now you see that it has popped up the Facebook button and the Twitter button. So by adding the information into these right here, it pops up the little buttons right here. So we can open those up, and that will, it looks like I may have entered that incorrectly. Huh. Okay, I believe my problem is that I just needed to put the ID, not the entire URL. So we'll click Save Settings there. Come back here, let's refresh, and as soon as it gets done working there, then there we go. There we go. Alright, so that's bringing up my Facebook account, and we'll click on that, and it brings up my Twitter account. Awesome. So that's working great. Now, also, we can do the RSS feed, which you can see brings up the RSS feed for the blog. So now that's done with the theme the theme's settings. Now the next thing we need to do is let's add some pages to this site.